Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from Greedy Tech, and in this video I'll be doing the gaming review, battery drain test and the heat test of the Oppo Reno 4 Pro. Now before we get started, these are the benchmark scores. And as for my current setup, there are two huge lights on either side. Phone currently has 61% of battery left. And as for the temperature of the phone, on the front it is 32 degrees, at the bottom it is 33, on the back it is 32 degrees, once again at the bottom it is 32 degrees. There is an AC running in the background at 26 degrees and the current room temperature is 27 degrees. Now I'll start the timer and start the gaming review with Asphalt 9. This phone has a completely immersive display because of that small dot notch and the curved sides. Overall display looks pretty huge than your regular phone and it seems like a complete display. As far as the gaming goes, visuals are amazing, details are great and everything is pretty smooth. So overall, this game is definitely playable. Now I've been playing this game for about 5 minutes. Now let's check the temperature. On the front it is 35 degrees, at the bottom I've seen a maximum of 36. On the back it's fluctuating from 34 to 35 and at the bottom maximum temperature is 36 degrees. Surprisingly, bottom part of the phone is getting hot. Most of the phones don't get warm near the bottom part. They might have put something related to heatsink in the bottom part of the phone and that's probably why it is slightly warmer. Anyway, we'll know more with PUBG Mobile. Maximum graphics settings on this phone is HD graphics settings with high frame rate. First I'll be playing the game in this graphics settings, then I'll switch to smooth with ultra frame rate. By the way guys, while playing games we can swipe in from the corner for game assistant and we have some quick shortcuts where we can block calls, messages, notifications, take screenshots and some other stuff. Now here's the gaming. So guys, visuals are great, details are pretty good and the controls are also pretty smooth. As usual, there is a bit of lag, but so far, at least in my experience, it is negligible. Now let me try smooth graphics settings with ultra frame rate. So guys, as you can see, details are all reduced, visuals don't look as sharp as before, but the colors still look good, probably because of the AMOLED display. As for gaming, there's no lag and everything is pretty smooth. Now, it's been about 12 minutes since I've been playing this PUBG and now the phone is hot, but not too hot. Let's check the temperature. On the front it is 37 degrees, at the bottom it is 36, on the back it is 36 degrees and at the bottom it is 35 degrees. For some reason it didn't get too hot in the bottom part of the phone. Anyway, I've been playing games for a total of 17 minutes and the current battery percentage is 57. So for approximately 15 minutes of gameplay, phone used about 4% of battery and there's no heating issues either. Phone did get hot, especially while playing PUBG, but that's completely negligible. Even if you play PUBG continuously for more than an hour, it probably won't get too hot. Now for the heat test, I'll be taking pictures from both the front and rear cameras continuously for 3 minutes and then check the temperature of the phone. Once again, there is still an AC running in the background at 26 degrees. Room temperature is 27 degrees. Now I'll reset the timer and start taking pictures. So guys, it's been 3 minutes. Now let's check the temperature. On the front, maximum temperature is 41 degrees. At the bottom, it is 36. On the back, maximum temperature is 40 degrees. And at the bottom, it is 36 degrees. Now the phone feels slightly warmer or more hotter than while we are playing PUBG, but it's still manageable. And that plastic back panel definitely helps in reducing that temperature. Now I'll be using this phone for a minute to see if there is any kind of throttling going on or any kind of lag because of overheating. Well, it's not overheating, but phone did get pretty warm. By the way guys, I took about 249 photos in those 3 minutes, which is not a great number, but it's still a pretty decent count. And as far as usage goes, there is no throttling even after using the phone right after the heat test. So guys, overall, gaming performance of this phone is pretty good, especially because of that display. You'll get a much better gaming experience and there are no heating issues at all, and even the battery life is great. And even if you're running out of battery, you can charge this phone instantly because of that super fast charging. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you're planning to buy this phone, use the link in the description. It always helps the channel. And if you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from Greedy Tech signing off. Have a nice day.